Hey guys, if this is your first time here, this is Zach from Vision Swell, products and principles for a simple, serene life. Today, I'm taking a look at unboxing two items from Maxpedition that just came in the mail today, so I wanted to look at them for the first time with you. The first item is the Lunada Gearslinger in the black color. That's a sling type backpack. And the second item is the mini pocket organizer from Maxpedition in the khaki color. So we'll take a look at both of them. First up, let's take a look at the mini pocket organizer. Similar to the double-decker EDC pocket pouch I reviewed previously, this is the smaller version of that exact pouch. So just like the other one, on the front, you have this hook and loop fastener if you want to put on some morale patches. You can put on morale patches of your own, or Maxpedition also has their own brand of morale patches that come in a variety of styles to suit all needs. Just like in the other pouch, there's also a Velcro fastened mesh pocket with netting if you wanted to store some small or flat items on the outside of the bag. On the back of the bag, you have several MOLLE strips, 6 here, if you wanted to attach things externally to this bag, or also you could use this as a way to attach it to a backpack strap or a sling strap or anything like that if you want to attach it to the outside of another bag. You have this well-stitched, cross-stitched handle for pulling it in and out of bags or glove compartments or backpacks. And then you have 2 YKK zippers tied with paracord loops that are really nice that allow you to open this bag. On the inside, you've got a little key leash here with a plastic key attachment. You've got a little sleeve pocket back here. Then you have these small loops for smaller items like pens and knives and things like that, as well as these 2 larger loops if you want to put Zippo lighters or something a little bit bigger like a flashlight. The other side has another slip pocket that has plenty of room for notebooks or bags or things like that. Then you have 3 medium-sized loops if you wanted to put things in here like multi-tools or lighters or anything like that. And then 1 large piece in the back if you had a larger tool or item that you wanted to secure. Unlike the double-decker, this doesn't have the additional space in the back that had the extra compartment like the other one, but this is perfect to fit in personal item only or 1 bag only travel because it's much smaller and you can kind of pare down to only the items you would need to bring with you on a daily basis. This is also very much more pocketable than the double-decker version, so I think it's great if you have a minimalist tool setup that you want to bring with you in your EDC every single day. Next up, we have the Lunada Gearslinger. This comes in the black color. This is a sling type backpack. Taking a closer look here, you see it has a really beefy strap on the back that could easily fit over your shoulder. It's got some MOLLE webbing and some D-hooks at the top and bottom, easily allowing you to clip things like your keys, a flashlight, paper clips, anything that you'd want to carry with you on the exterior of your bag, or you could even attach this pouch to the MOLLE strip if you wanted to have some detachable pocket pouches to have with you at all times. It's got a really nice, wide, comfortable carry strap. It feels very padded. It's nylon material. And then you also have this beefy buckle here to attach and reattach the bag to your body. It has a nice adjustment loop here so you can move the material through and shorten or lengthen it, as well as strap keeper here. And then you separately have another little attachment point here with a whistle attached, an emergency whistle. So if you're wearing this and you were out in the wild and you needed to be found by rescuers or you were in trouble, you could blow this little whistle here. It's a nice little extra piece of attachment to make wearing this bag a little bit more comfortable. And the nice part is the strap is also detachable. So when you're storing it, you could always unclip this and store away this if you wanted to just use this as a bag. Additionally, because of this slot in the back, you can also store the strap away if you need to make it even easier if you're taking this on a flight, or if you need to put it somewhere where the strap would be in the way, like you're at a cafe or something, you could tuck it away very easily. And if you're not tucking the strap away, you also have plenty of space to store things like knives or other things that you want to carry on the exterior of your bag outside here. There's also a giant hook and loop fastener, so if you wanted to put more morale patches or attach anything on the back side of this bag, it would be very easy to do so. There's plenty of padding and ventilation here, so it'll be very comfortable to wear on your back. And then additionally, you could attach something here on this little hook and loop fastener loop. Feel like something like maybe an umbrella or a tripod or something that you want against your back, you could put in this little slot here. The carry handle on the top also has 2 additional D-rings. It's a nicely padded, very durable handle. Feels like really great in hand. It's soft to carry. It fits my big hand in here. Then if you go to the front of the bag, you have some shock cord here with a little cord clip where you could fit a water bottle or like a jacket or something small like an umbrella inside this shock cord. There's more MOLLE webbing on the front if you needed any external attachment points, or like I said, putting a pouch on the outside or anything like that. There's a top quick access pocket that has some organization. It has this back little slot here that you could fit some small gear, dongles, things like that. It's got some more MOLLE webbing if you had carabiners or little gear or cords that you wanted to stash away, you could fit in there. And then a large main pocket where if you wanted to put your cell phone or wallet, this would be a great place for it. Additionally, you have this large outer pocket. It's got even more MOLLE webbing and organization. I shouldn't say MOLLE webbing, but elastic webbing and organization if you wanted to slide lighters, knives, keys, flashlights, multi-tools, screwdrivers, anything you might need on the road in there, as well as this little slide pocket if you had notebooks or paper or any kind of flat documentations. Even your cell phone or wallet could fit in here. There's a key leash with a little plastic key attachment point if you wanted to attach anything that's on a keychain here. And then the last bit, there's a pocket on the outside here that's just one large pocket. Again, this would be another great place for a cell phone, wallet, keys, anything you need quick access to. You can put some snacks in here. You know, there's tons of organization and pockets in here. Super useful, super utilitarian. Then if we look at the main pocket, you have a tablet sleeve where you could fit like an iPad or any kind of tablet you have. You might even be able to fit a tiny laptop in here if you have a small enough laptop. Then it can be secured with this Velcro strap. It's held a little bit off the ground, so it's protected from shock if you were to drop this bag. And then additionally, you have this top pocket here where you could put stuff away that you don't want jangling around your bag. It could be, again, a safe place to keep a passport, a wallet, a cell phone, keys, or even dongles, cords, things that you don't want bopping around your bag. And then you have a Velcro pocket here where, again, you could fit a tablet, you could fit maybe a small laptop, any smaller electronics if you had any kind of gaming device or something like that. your headphones, wallet, keys, cell phone, anything like that could fit in this pocket. And there's also some additional hook and loop if you wanted straps to hold something in place, or you wanted a morale patch on the inside, or anything that attaches to Velcro attachment points would go great in here. And then you just have a large overall pocket like a backpack. So you could fit books and documents and any kind of thing you want in here. So there's plenty of space for all types of items you might carry on the day-to-day. And then the nice thing about this is, if you look on the bottom, there's actually two weep holes, one on this bigger front pocket and one on the middle pocket. And those weep holes are great, meaning that if you had a water bottle or something that could potentially sweat or leak, that it's not going to just fill the entire cavity with liquid and it would eventually weep out. So I think that would be great to fit like a Yeti or a large water bottle in here. Then at least if it had some condensation on the outside, it has a weep hole for things to get out, like dirt or water that are falling off the outside of your water bottle. I'm definitely going to do a full review on both of these items coming up, but I just wanted to do an unboxing and show the generalized features of both of these items before doing so. So if you have any questions about Maxpedition, either the Lunada or the mini pocket organizer, please let me know. Leave a comment below. Like, comment, subscribe if you're interested in videos like these, and thanks as always for watching. Take care.